So now I'm gonna rotate the motor right side up, and I'm gonna install the head gasket and put the head on. Guys, so I'm just cleaning this off. I'm gonna put the head gasket on, and then we're gonna go ahead and mount the head on this. Yep. All right. There's nothing. Wait, let's figure out where the pin is first. So there's one on this side.
You tell me what.
What's it? Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Oh, wait.
Ready? Wait. There we go. Alright guys, head's on the block. I'm gonna go ahead and install all the head bolts and go ahead and torque it down. Alright guys, so I got all these brand new head bolts with brand new washers. So you pretty much just go ahead and stick these in these little holes in here. So like one goes in there. I already put that one in there. I'm pretty much just gonna slide them in first, and then I'll go ahead and torque them all. You got to make sure you replace your head bolts and buy brand new ones. They are super expensive. I think for just these, it was a little over $300 with the washers. But I pretty much just slid them in there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just run them down with my electric ratchet, and then I'm gonna go ahead and torque them all to spec. We're gonna go ahead and torque these the same way we torqued the crankshaft. You're gonna start in the middle and work your way outwards, just so it can flatten the gasket properly and evenly. So for these bolts, I bought this special kit. It's actually a kit for doing the timing and stuff on the heads. So it came with this special Allen. I believe is a T60. We're gonna start in the middle. Alright guys, so pretty much just how you guys saw, you start in the middle, work your way outwards, just to flatten the gasket out properly. So now that I got them all pretty much tight, I gotta go ahead and torque them. We're gonna torque them in the same way. Let me just go get the torque spec. Alright guys, so this shows you the tightening order for the head bolts. So you basically go 1, 2, 3, 4, and go all the way around in a circle. And then the tightening torque is 50 Newton meters and 2 rotations of 180 degrees. So let's go ahead and get it. All right, so we're gonna start with 50 Newton meters and then go all the way up to 180 degrees. But before we do, it also said that we have to lightly oil it. So let me grab some oil real quick. All right, guys, so the next torque is probably going to break our torque wrench. So we went ahead and grabbed a breaker bar with the T60. So I'm basically just going to angle it 180 degrees, which is half a circle. So it shouldn't be too hard. Right, half a circle.
Let's see.
That shit was a workout. We did them all 50 and then 180 degrees and 180 degrees. My torque wrench probably would have broke, so I used this breaker bar and I kind of just angled it. I did 90-degree turns twice on every single one of them. So just like that, she's put back together. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. On the next video, we're gonna go ahead and put the actuators on and the timing chain and go ahead and get the whole engine timed. We're also gonna install all the accessories, the timing cover, and then throw it in the car. Not that one, that's a BRZ.